These are the different parts received in your weight machine. Here are the 6 pieces legs for the weight machine, the main platform, the indicator, the 2 pipe for the indicator, the supporting pipe for the platform. First we will install the 4 legs on the back of the platform like this. Now we have to unscrew the 2 bolts to tighten the side stand of the machine. As you can see in the video, we have now placed the platform support like this and reput the bolts. The bolts will be tightened here like this. We have tightened these 2 nuts and the stand of the platform is successfully tightened. Now we will tighten this pipe for the indicator. We have to unscrew these 2 nuts. We first unscrew these 2 nuts. The pipe will be placed like this. These nuts are now tightened. Now we will tighten the indicator. We will have to open these bolts, 2 bolts of the indicator. Then put this second pipe like this and retighten the nuts. रेन से टाइट कर देना. Is just one step left. We have to put there is a pipe inside the machine. We have to put it outside. It is the connection from the load cell to the indicator. We have to install this 4-pin load cell cable into the indicator. We will first tie it like this. There is a cutting made on this pin. Please check for it. we have to put it on the cutting. There is also a side here, this side. We have to match this, then only it will work. Put it like this and tight it. Now the machine is ready to use.